Very good evening, guys. Here we start. I'll help you out with the model answer solution of Science 1. To begin with, question 1a, answer the following question. The first answer is electric motor converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. If you have written this, you deserve 1 mark for this. The second point, the rancidity, guys, here it was fill in the blank. You have to write the full sentence with the answer. You can write antioxidant. Even if you have written airtight container, the answer should be correct. Fine. The next point, electric fuse and earth wire are two devices used for the safety of electrical components or gadgets. Next, in that case, the answer was false. It is simple displacement reaction. Either you write simple displacement or single displacement. Answer is absolutely correct. Moving further, choose correct alternatives. You have to write the entire statement with the correct option. The first answer was calcium carbonate. The second was electric current. Third was 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. Fourth is increases. Fifth is hydrogen. There is no other option possible, guys. These are objectives. You cannot change the answer. You have to write the way it is given in the solution. The next question, write the Fleming's rule. Guys, in this case, the answer should be the way it is given in the solution. It is a law and rule and definition. These three things should be the way it is given in the solution or in the textbook. You cannot change the answer as per your whims and fancies. If you have written the correct solution, correct answer the way it is given, you will deserve 2 marks. Next, in that case, numericals, we were supposed to identify 2 points. The first answer is 0.25 ampere and the second answer is 750 joule. Okay, now in this case, you have to write in the proper format. You have to write in the proper format as given, to find, formula and final answer along with solution. If you have written the correct format, you will get full 2 marks for this. If the first answer is correct, second is wrong or vice versa, you get only 1 mark for this. Third question, the constant temperature at which substance changes from liquid state to gaseous state is called boiling point of the liquid, and the heat energy absorbed at constant temperature during the transformation of liquid into gas is called as latent heat of vaporization. Both answers are correct, then you get 2 marks. If only one is correct, you will get only 1 mark for it. Fine. Vice versa, either boiling point is correct or latent heat of vaporization is correct. Any one of this is correct, you will get only 1 mark. The fourth answer, again there are 2 questions. One, we were supposed to explain, define specific heat capacity, and the second we were supposed to write unit. Any one of this is correct, you will get 1 mark. If both are correct, you will get 2 marks. The answer is amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of unit mass of a substance by 1 degree Celsius is called a specific heat capacity. The units of specific heat capacity in CGS is calorie per gram degree Celsius, and in MKS it is joule per gram degree Celsius. If you have written correct unit and the correct definition the way it is given in the solution, you will get 2 marks. In fifth question, potassium permanganate is the compound used by aquarists for disinfecting the plants, ornaments, as well as it is used to remove the organic bacterial fungi material from the water tank. Okay. If you have written all the points here correctly, then you will get 2 marks. If you have written only first point of plants and ornaments or vice versa of bacteria and fungi, you will get only 1 mark for this. Make sure you have written both the points. In case of differentiate of exothermic and endothermic, there are 3 points given in the solution. You have to write any 2 points along with the example for 2 marks. But make sure if exothermic point is correct and endothermic is wrong or vice versa, then you will not get any marks for that point. Okay, I repeat, 1 mark के लिए दोनों पॉइंट करेक्ट होना चाहिए. एक्सोथर्मिक एंडोथर्मिक दोनों का पॉइंट करेक्ट होना चाहिए along with the example. Example is mandatory. If you have not written example, half marks will be deducted. Next question, we were supposed to define combination reaction and displacement reaction. The definition should be word to word the way it is given in the solution along with one example. You can write any other example but should be correct as per textbook. Same with respect to displacement reaction also, you can write any example, should be correct as per the textbook. Moving further, the next question, we were given the diagram, based on that we were supposed to write the answer. There are 3 questions given. The first question, we have to define photochemical decomposition reaction. For definition you will get half marks, and for writing the color of salt which changes from white to grey you will get another half marks, so total 1 mark for this. Second, you have to write proper balanced chemical equation. It should be proper balanced as well as with the proper symbols. Okay, then you get 1 mark for this. If you have written correct symbol but the balancing is wrong, then you don't get any marks for this. Silver chloride is used in photography. This is the main application which you have to mention. Okay, you will get 1 mark for this. Next question, you have to write the way it is given in the solution. All the points are mandatory and important to get full 3 marks. Here in this case, we were supposed to write 2 points. 1, the statement, the device which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy is called as electric generator, and you have to draw proper neat labeled diagram. For diagram you will get 2 marks, and for the statement you will get 1 mark. Attempt any one question of the following, each 5 marks. Write a note on Hope's apparatus, guys. You will get 2 marks for the diagram of Hope's apparatus and 3 marks for the explanation. For the note, all the points are mandatory to get full 3 marks. So make sure you have written all the points correctly along with a neat label diagram to achieve 5 marks. Okay, next question, we were supposed to write a note on factors affecting the rate of reaction. There are 4 important points, subheadings, for which you get 1 mark. It is nature of reactant, concentration, temperature, presence of catalyst. You can also mention about particle size. Okay, you have to explain each point with 1 example. Like for example, in case of nature of reactant, either you write about NO or you write about Al, that is absolutely okay. You can mention any one of the example. You have to explain 1 example and the main subheading. Okay, each subheading you will get 1 mark. Means for writing nature of reactant, particle size, concentration and temperature, presence of catalyst, for this you get 1 mark, and for the explanation of each subheading you will get 1 mark. So total 5 marks you will get. So you have to mention any one example with a proper explanation. That's it guys, we are done here. Stay home, stay safe, take care guys, all the best.